How to transfer from crypto.com to Binance. In this video I will show you how to send cryptocurrencies from crypto.com to Binance. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to the home page in the bottom left, and you will then see a screen looking similar to this one. Over on this page you want to click on transfer, then withdrawal, external wallet, and you will then be sent over to the withdrawal whitelist. Here you can click on add wallet address to add a new address. You can then go over to the search icon in the top right and search for the coin you would like to transfer. So for me that will be Algorand, and once you have found the coin you want to transfer you can click on it. You'll then see that the first thing you need to fill in is the wallet address. So to find this address you need to go over to Binance, and over on Binance you will need to go over to the wallet page and then click on the deposit button. Now go over to the search bar and search for the same coin you have selected on crypto.com. So for me that will be Algorand. Once you found the coin you want to transfer, again click on it, and it will then be sent over to the deposit page. Over on this page you can copy your address by clicking on the icon to the right of the address, and as you can see my address has been copied to my clipboard. And once you have copied your address you can go back over to crypto.com and then you can paste your address in, and once you have pasted your address in you can now go ahead and give your wallet a name. So for me that will be Binance Algo, and once you have given your wallet a name, you can click on continue. You'll then get this pop-up saying that you need to check your email to confirm your new wallet address, and the email you will receive will look similar to this one. And once you go back over to crypto.com, you will see that your address has been added to the whitelist. So what you need to do now is to click on the blue withdrawal button to the right of your address, and then you will need to fill in the amount you would like to transfer. You can fill in this amount in USD, or you can click on the blue text above USD to fill in a specific amount of coins you would like to transfer. So once you have filled in the amount of coins you would like to transfer, you can choose to fill in a node, but I don't want to, so I'm going to click on cancel, and then you can click on withdrawal. Please double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes, and then click on confirm. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.